Hi everyone. In this tutorial, we will show you how to sort messages or conversations by different categories in Microsoft Teams. Organizing messages and channel posts by date helps us find earlier discussions and keep track of conversations easily. Let's get started. On the Microsoft Teams dashboard, we can use the Search Chat button or filter by name. We cannot filter by other categories. The newest messages always appear at the top. We can also view messages on Android devices or filter them by meetings. This depends on our settings. We can filter messages by muted users or by people. We can choose to see Active Now or All Contacts. To view Active Now, just select that option. Old contacts will also appear if we want to see them. In Communities, we can filter by community or channel only. By default, Microsoft Teams does not let us filter in other ways. Using the search and filter options helps us find past messages quickly and saves time.